What's going on, guys? St. Edwards here, back again. Welcome to the Ski channel, Swift Coding for everyone. In this particular video, we're going to talk about dictionaries. They are the other collection type. We talked about arrays, and now we're going to talk about dictionaries. Now, dictionaries work just like a real dictionary for us. When it comes to our words. The thing is that they are listed by a key value pair. Now the key can be an integer, it could be a string, and it's usually separated. It's separated by a colon, and then you got your value, and then you have a comma to separate the key value pair. And we're going to get into that. So we're going to talk about how to declare them, how some of them may look, and some of the different things that you can do with dictionaries in the Swift programming language. So go ahead and open up a new playground and let's get started. Alright, so the first things first is declaring a dictionary, right? So you may see it done like this. Let's say if the value pair was a string or an integer in the string, so you may see it done like this. So it'll be a string, and then a colon, and then an int. You can do it like that. Another way you can declare a dictionary is by doing it like this. So you can say var your dictionary. It can go like this. You can say dictionary, and then we'll do string. We'll do int string. We'll do int, comma, string. You do that. You can also do var dictionary, and you may even see it down like this. So we can go alright, and we initialize there with the parentheses, right? So those are the few different ways that you'll see it, just like an array. You may see it done like that. Alright, I'm gonna just comment these out. Multi-line comment. Alright. So those are green. Alright. So let's put some stuff in these dictionaries. So let's do this. So we'll say var scores equals, and we're gonna go Bridget 400. So that's one key value pair. So Swift is going to infer that it's of type string int, obviously. That's the second key value pair. And then we'll do Liz. And we'll say 350. Alright. Now, one thing to know about dictionaries in particular is that they're unordered. So like our arrays, they were ordered. So if you want to go print them just how you wrote them, they would appear in the console. But even over here, you may see that they're unordered. Like if we were to hit this box. So in this box, it shows the key value pairs, right? Well, it's showing Bridget first, which is correct, but all of a sudden Liz shows up second, and then Jason is second. And I'll just print it out just to show you as well. So we'll go print scores. So you can see down here at the bottom, they're out of order. So they are unordered. And the way that you can pull, you can pull from which one you want is by just calling, the subscript format. So you would just have to call Bridget. Like if you wanted to see Bridget's score, you will call out her key, by spelling her name. I guess I used a difficult name, but whatever. So as you can see, by saying scores and doing the subscript notation, we got her score, which is 400 for Bridget right now. Now, if you wanted to update Bridget's score, you could do this. So you'll go scores, dot Bridget. No, not dot Bridget, but you would go Bridget. Come on, get it together. And then you will go equals 500. All right, so now Bridget scores 500. And then we can print that again just to see. So we can say print scores. We can print them all, or we could just print Bridget's. But let's just print them all just to show. So now at the bottom, now you see her score has updated. You can also do it this way. You can update the scores by doing this. So you can say scores dot update value int. So we'll say 600 for key Liz. So it's showing her old value right now. But if we were to print out so we'll print scores, and then we're gonna say we want to go Liz. So let's just print her new score out. And down there it says optional 600, and we'll talk about optionals in a later lesson. But that's Liz's new score is the 600, right? Another way you can update a value is by doing the if let statement. So we can do this. So we can say if let old value equals scores dot update value for int, and then we'll just say 420. Let's do Jason. Jason said he's tired. He don't want to play anymore. So let's say Jason, and then we'll say print. We'll say Jason's score was, and then we'll do string interpolation. So we can say Jason's score was old value before he stopped playing. So as you can see down here in our console and also over here in the right panel, it says Jason's score was 420 before he stopped playing. And so cool. Now just like with the arrays, you can remove values as well. So you can go you do something like this. You can say scores dot. You can do remove value for key, and then you can go the string. So if we wanted to remove Jason, we can just say Jason. All right, and now we can go print scores. And now we only have Bridget and Liz left down there at the bottom, as you can tell. All right, so to access the dictionary, you can do this. So you can say let players equals array dot keys. So if you just want to access just the names, just the keys themselves. Now, of course, we only have Bridget and Liz in there, but it's still a dictionary. And so now we've got that, and then you can just say let player scores equals array. Same thing. It'll be scores dot values, and now their scores will print out. All right, and so you can do that way. And so now it's stored. Players is an array of their names, and then now their player scores. It's just an array of their scores now. All right, and that's a way you can access it. All right, guys. Well, that's it for this lesson. Make sure you guys practice on your own. Get some more practice in, and make sure you do the lab. Do the lab at the end of this section. It's St. R. Edwards checking out on the Ski channel, Swift Coding for everyone. You guys take care.